Hello students, today we are going to learn how to divide fractions. Okay, here are the steps. Step 1. Check if the given fractions are reduced to its lowest terms. Step 2. Invert the second fraction. When we say invert, we are going to switch the places of the numerator and the denominator. Step 3. Change the process to multiplication and follow the steps on how to multiply fractions. For example, we have 3/4 divide by 5/8. Step 1. Check if the given fractions are reduced to its lowest terms. Now, since 3/4 and 5/8 are already in its lowest term, so we are going to proceed to step 2. Invert the second fraction. We are going to invert 5/8. It will become 8/5. Okay? Step 3. Change the process to multiplication. We are going to change the division symbol into multiplication symbol. So that is 3/4 times 8/5. Find the GCF using the X pattern in both numerator and denominator of the given fractions. The first pair here is 4 and 8, and the second pair is 3 and 5. In 4 and 8, the GCF is 4. Therefore, 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. Now, in 3 and 5, there's no GCF. So, we're going to proceed to multiplication of numerators and denominators. So, that is 3 times 2 is equal to 6, and 1 times 5 is equal to 5. Okay, next example, we have 5 and 5/6 divided by 1 and 3/4. So both fractions are not yet in its lowest term, or we are going to convert them first into improper fraction. So 5 and 5/6, if converted into improper fraction, that is 35/6. And 1 and 3/4 if converted to improper fraction, that is 7/4. Okay, we are done with step 1. Next, we are going to invert the second fraction. The second fraction here is 7/4. It will become 4/7. Okay, then change the process to multiplication. So it will become 35/6 times 4/7. Next, we are going to look for the GCF using the X pattern in both numerator and denominator. The first pair here is 6 and 4. The greatest common factor between 6 and 4 is 2. So 4 divided by 2, that is 2, and 6 divided by 2, we have 3. Then the second pair is 35 and 7. The greatest common factor is 7. Okay, so 7 divided by 7, we have 1. And 35 divided by 7, we have 5. Then we are going to multiply the new numerators and denominators. So that is 5 times 2, we have 10. And 3 times 1, we have 3. That is our final answer.